everybody, and welcome back to my online mathematics classes. This is Good Luck Online Mathematics classes. Now let's consider physics question. Calculation of electricity, okay? What calculate on electricity? We already know what's electricity. We have it in our various homes. We have a lamp in our various homes. But let's calculate something very special today. Now we have to calculate the resistance of a filament lamp rated at 240 volts and 60 watts. Okay? Now, one thing I want you to know here, let's be fast. 60 watts is the power of this bulb, because the unit for power is what? Watts. And now this volt here is the potential difference, okay? That is voltage, okay? This V here stands for the word voltage. Now the formula for this power, for what we are calculating now, formula for power in electricity, we have different formulas. I'm going to break them out now, and we're going to choose the one we're going to use. Now, I'm going to tell you how you're going to know the one that you're going to use, okay? Now, we have that power is equal to the current I. The current I means the current, and V is the what? Voltage. Power is equal to what? IV. Not only that formula, we also have that power P is equal to what? V squared all over R. Power is equal to the voltage squared all over what? R. That is the resistance, okay? Well, and you know that we have to calculate the resistance in this what? Lamp. But now let me take you to the last formula before we choose what we're going to use. So now on our last formula, P is equal to what? I square, that is the current, arrow, I square arrow. This is our last formula. P is equal to what? I square arrow. So this is the three basic formula for calculating for what? Power. So now in this question now we have our voltage and we have our what? Power. And we also asked to calculate our what? Resistance. So now looking from this, in this first formula, we have P is equal to what? Current times voltage. Okay, and we're looking for our what? Resistance. That means we cannot use the first formula. Let's go to the second formula. We have P is equal to, okay, let's go to the last first. We have P is equal to what? I square arrow. And now while we don't have our current in this question, we don't have to calculate our current, or we don't have our resistance. We cannot use this formula. So therefore, we're going to use this formula, because in this formula, we have our voltage V and we have our resistance R. Okay? Now let's go from here. Let's go from here. Now we have that P is equal to V square all over R. P is equal to V square all over R. This formula we're using. Now the voltage here is 240 squared, and our resistance here, which I have to calculate, is what? Arrow. Let's call it arrow. Now we already have our power in this bulb to be what? 60 watts. So in terms of power, I'm going to write what? 60 watts. Therefore 60 is equal to 240 squared all over what? Arrow. So let's make arrow over the formula and we get our answer very fast. Over 1, we make this over 1, we cross multiply. And what cross multiply? We have 240 squared is equal to what? 60 arrow. Now for all to make arrows with the formula, we're going to divide both sides by what? 60. And now 60, we cancel 60, okay? Now we have remaining with us. We now have that our arrow is equal to 240 squared all over what? 60. And now for us to make this finished, we now say that arrow 240 squared is the same as what? 240 times 240 all over what? 60. Now I discovered one thing. I don't like using calculator again. Let's use our brain here. Now we have that 0 cancel 0. 6 here 1, 6 here 4. Okay? Now we have remaining with us. We now have 4 times 240. Now let's get our answer here. 4 times 240 is what? I prefer us to use our normal times in and for us to use calculator. I'm buying the calculator now. And our answer is what? 960 ohms. This is the unit for what? Resistance. Ohms is the unit for resistance. Whenever you see this sign here, it means resistance. Okay? So guys, thanks for watching the video to this end. If you watch the video to the end, make sure you drop a question so that I can come to your page and give you an answer. Okay? Thank you.